Eat it? Yeah, I eat it. I'm pretty sure most guys do. They says they don't, they's probably lying. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't no different than eating the other, in my opinion. You just want to make sure you know everything's alright down there before you just go making a buffet out of it. You know, make sure it ain't been a long night of Taco Bell and Natty Light, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it's part of any normal relationship to eat it. You know, ain't one of them things you gonna do on the first date. You wanna know the girl, you know, before you just go down doing that. Huh? Oh, you said eat bass. No, I don't eat bass. You throw them back. You eat catfish. If you're like me and you like to fill your freezer with game to eat throughout the year, catfish is one of the best ways to do it. Kind of hard to beat fried catfish, but if you eat it enough, you get a little burnout on it. Not to mention, anything deep fried in excess, not very healthy for you. I figured today I'd go over my favorite alternative to fried catfish, and it's not really that much trouble at all. So hang with me and check it out. Let me know what you think. I'm going to start out by taking your catfish fillets and cutting them into small pieces. And remember, good tasting fish starts as soon as you catch the fish. You want to keep your fish alive until you clean them, or you want to put them on ice as soon as possible. And as soon as you get home, go ahead and clean them, and then vacuum seal them and freeze them if you're not going to eat them right away. After you get your fish all cut up, take you a paper towel and try to blot them dry as good as you can. Now you want to get a baking dish, line it with aluminum foil, and then spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Now you can start putting your fish in your pan, put them all on a single layer, and try not to overcrowd them. Now I take some McCormick brown sugar bourbon. I absolutely love this stuff. It's great on fish and chicken and even steak. So if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. And with any rub, don't be skimpy with it. Go ahead and put a good amount on all your pieces of fish. Then I like to put a little black and red fish magic on top of that. If you can't find either one of these seasonings, don't have them, just use your favorite one, it'll work. Next, cut you up some real small pieces of butter and sprinkle throughout the fish. Now throw them in your 425 degree preheated oven and let them bake. Let mine bake for about 10 minutes or so. Just want to make sure that you take a fork and it flakes pretty easily, let you know it's done. I like to cook some jasmine rice and put my fish right on top of it. I like to top mine off with some yum yum sauce. I got light on accident. I think it's really good on fish and shrimp. Kind of scared to get the original one because the light one tastes good to me. If you haven't tried yum yum sauce on your fish yet, man, give it a try. And that is it, my friends. It's time to dig in. I hope somebody gives this recipe a try. It's super easy and it's a great alternative to fried catfish. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees.